Hi, I'm Herbie Hancock. Welcome to the Herbie Hancock Institute and LAUSD Beyond the Bell Jazz in the Classroom Spring Concert.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tony White, and I'm the coordinator for music and entertainment education in the Beyond the Bell branch of the Los Angeles Unified School District. It's my great honor to welcome you to this program today, featuring our students in schools from the Jazz in the Classroom program.
Hello, my name is Alvaro Cortez, Senior Executive Director for Beyond the Bell with Los Angeles Unified School District. We and Beyond the Bell have had a relationship with the Herbie Hancock Institute for many, many years, and I'm extremely proud of it because one, I've learned so much, but two, the influence and the preparation that they've been able to give our students has been incredible. Thank you for entrusting your children with us, and we hope we have done you well.